Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can find deleted photos on Android. So to start, you will need to launch Google Photos or any other photo explorer app that you use. Then open the list of albums or sections or folders, whatever is an exact name for it, with your particular photo explorer app. And if you, the same as me, use Google Photos, in the collection section at the top you'll have the trash button, which you can tap on and open the list of deleted photos. Well, usually when it comes to different photo or gallery explorer applications, the procedure will be somewhat the same. As I've mentioned a bit earlier in the video, you'll need to open the list of collections, albums or folders, and somewhere either at the bottom of the page or, as it is the case with Google Photos, at the very top of the page you'll find the trash or deleted photos section. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.